You are living in an era in which almost nothing that you're interacting with has stood the test of time. The stories that we have depended on to keep us out of trouble are not up to date. In my field, there hasn't been a significant discovery since I was 7 years old.
Bret and Heather have described themselves as professors in exile.
Most people in the weird world in the West have been traumatized by what often passes for science. It's used as this weapon of blunt force. That is not science.
If we are to survive, we are going to have to rein in the rate of change.
Go into nature, take the facts into your own hands, look and see for yourself.
Fitness is about lodging your genes as far into the future as you can get them.
Do the fittest actually survive? And if so, what makes an organism most fit? To divine the significance of pattern is the same as to understand beauty itself. Many scientists would not say that they are actually interested in beauty, but actually most of us are.